Prakash, working as an assistant professor in the Department of Mechanical Engineering. So today we are going to have a discussion on a case study on electric vehicles and the usage of internal combustion engines. Okay. So we are aware of design thinking. Okay. So what is design thinking? Can anyone tell me? So you're coming with the starting empathy. What is design thinking? So you have to identify the real-time problem and then you have a solution for this. So there are many stages. Can anyone tell me what are the stages? First stage.
Saying about
First stage is you are telling that empathy. What is second stage? Define. Okay, define, ideate, prototype, test. So these are the 5 stages. Now we are going to discuss about the usage of and the existing case study on IC engines and what is the solution for this. Okay. So nowadays all of us are using vehicles. Vehicles has become mandatory. Whether it is an 2-wheeler or 4-wheeler or private buses or public buses, we are using transport. So transport is essential. But what are the existing problems in this transport? Okay. So based on empathy. Okay, what is the first empathy part? Let us discuss about the empathy part. Okay. So can you tell me what is the first problem?
we are going to see about IC engines, pollutions causes of
Very good.
causes of doing an ozone layer, global warming.
Yeah, very good.
damages the
Very good. What he is telling about the pollution. So what he is telling is the carbon monoxide and sulfur and other particles which is coming out from the burned gases. So it directly affects the environment. So it directly affects the ozone layer. So what is the purpose of ozone layer is? It is preventing the ultraviolet rays. So when these unwanted pollutions is affecting the ultraviolet, this ozone layer, it prevents the ultraviolet rays. But the depletion what it makes is, it allows the ultraviolet rays to come inside. So what happens is global warming takes place and it directly involves in the affecting the climate and the environment. Okay. What is the other empathy? Based on the other empathy.
Electric vehicle also creates a pollution because.
No, what is I am asking about the empathy in the normal IC engines. You are telling a pollution is there.
Like it's more cost about like in our it's like fuel cost, more pollution and.
Yeah. So second point what is telling is about the fuel cost. So if you go many years back, the cost was around 30 rupees. Now it is more than 100 rupees. So day by day the cost is increasing. So this we can't bear. So second one is cost is very high. Next one is
diesel engine and petrol engine was fuel was not permanent. This is
it will be exhausted. Okay, very good. Third point is the fossil fuels. So this is a fossil fuels we can't get till our life end. So at some time it may get depleted. Okay. So these are some of the empathy part where which is related to the IC engines which are using in the vehicles. Now what is the second stage? Define. So what is define? So we are going to take a problem. So we have to replace this existing IC engine to replace this empathy part. Okay. So this is our problem. Now coming to the idea. So what idea shall you suggest to overcome this empathy part? What your idea? Can you tell me idea?
Sir, 2-wheelers or 4-wheelers are pollution.
No, it's more.
We can replace by solar energy. Solar.
Yeah, very good. So what his point of view is? So he is telling that the fuel which is giving more pollution. So we can go with the solar energy. So here the solar energy is what happens is it is available at free of cost. So we can get till our lifelong. Okay. So we can replace this fossil fuels with help of solar energy. Okay, this is a very good idea. So what is the another thing is there is no pollution in case of solar energy. Okay. Any other things?
hydrogen fuel instead of fossil fuel.
Yeah, very good. What his point of view is telling that so we can go with the hydrogen fuel. So here hydrogen fuel is we are getting from water. It is H2O. So we are separating this hydrogen. So that is called as fuel cell technology. So now research is going on, and also our Toyota company is planning with the hydrogen based engines. So they are working out on the formula. Okay, they are going to implement this hydrogen based. So what is the third one? Have you seen?
So we can use
Nowadays many vehicles are there, electric vehicles.
electric vehicles.
So they are giving electric vehicles where the battery charging is made with the some energy which is available in the vehicle itself, and then the battery can be charged.
We can charge.
Ah. So what is the difference between the electric vehicle and the solar photovoltaics? Is here the panel directly converts the electric energy to or to store to the battery. Here we can charge from the existing power and we can use it. So these are some of the ideas. Okay. So based on this idea, we can build an hybrid vehicle or electric vehicle. So Indian government is also supporting a lot of subsidy to switch over from the this normal IC engines vehicles into electrical vehicles. So after completing this, we can test. Nowadays we can go in the real time, and we can also can use the vehicles. It is on the road. Many vehicles, electric vehicles are there. We can test, and it is okay. It is good. So why I am telling this is, you also can make an idea with your existing two-wheelers, which is with the IC engines. Try to work out on how to convert these IC engines into some electrical vehicles. Okay. So this is our case study. Okay. So coming to the winding up session. So we have seen the empathy, lot of pollution problems, cost problems and all. So we have made how to overcome this. We have given many ideas as electric vehicles or hybrid vehicles. So with this we can make a prototype and then we can test. Okay. So this is our DT based approach on IC engines and replacing with the existing IC engine to electric vehicles. Thank you.